Master bottle flippers. Look at you, I was wrong. I'm gonna keep trying. Yeah, yeet. Please give me $5. Every donation will help a ninja family. God. Give me that. Mr. Beast makes it. Boy. Okay, gotta make a flip. Come on! I just gotta get like a bunch of views of me going. Oh, come on! That's rigged. Yeah, yeet. Seriously. Oh, come on, boys. Yeet. That so sucks. This bottle man is rigged. This bottle's rigged. Yay, body rigged. Come on. Yeet. Yeah, I did it. Now you gotta like this video. Every bottle flip that I make is a like. So there's only one like. There's one like on this video, okay? Yeah, yeet. 2 likes. 3 likes. Oh, okay. Only 3 likes on this video. Yeet. Oh, come on. Oof. Oh, come on. 4 likes. Oh. Oof. My bottle. 5 likes. I'm gonna get up to 10. I'm gonna get up to 10 and you gotta make this video have 10 likes. 6. Yeah, 6 likes on this video, boys. Yeet. Oh, that kind of count. Just give it 7 likes, boys.
Are you really recording?
Come on.
Sorry, what's your nails?
Come on.
I think you might have to cut your nails. So I have them.
So it's 8. Oh, almost. Yeah, yeet. Come on. Yeah, yeet.
That's a special weapon.
Come on. Yeah, yeet.
You're climbing up here. You better run, Dad.
8. Just go. 9. And 10. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.